Big up, big up, big up. Blessed. Yes, man, there I'm saying I give a little preview, a little video, you know. Some of my fans they must say, yo, wow, no, why me not put out no video? I just tell them say, I wait for a secret for me, you know. One secret. Yeah, a secret, a special. So you just hold up and just take it easy. You understand? I have something special for you guys. You understand? Big up. Big up my wife Doreen Claiborne. Love you. More love to you, you know? Just day I come off of work and I just say, you know, come up from my family shop and just I go on easy and chill. So there I sit down and I go on in the fun, I go and take some cool breeze and I say I go do a little small video for the fans and my viewers them, you know. You know? Yeah. They're asking for more video and I ask what's up, so I just want to do that little one here. To show them I'm here. I'm here. But I have a big surprise for you guys. Don't worry. Just patient. Just patient with me. You know? Just give me this month and a little more month to get something special. You guys are gonna love it. You understand? I'm here blessed. Very blessed. You know, I have to give God thanks for everything that you have done in my life. You know, give me a special wife. She's my angel. She's my angel. Damn, Doreen Claiborne. Love you, baby. I want to say, you put a bright smile on my face, Doreen. Yeah. I'm just here chilling. Just saying I'm gonna do this for my little viewers is asking me, what's up? More videos and stuff. I'm here. I'm here. Don't worry. I was just chilling, try to do no more video until the secret has come big. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So don't worry. Don't worry, something special is gonna come. You understand? Just pray for me. Pray for my wife. Just pray for me. Just keep on praying. Because something special is gonna be. Because God said that. You know, when God is leading in your life, and He's the one that paving the way for you, no one can stop it but you, yourself. And I don't intend to stop it. You understand? This is my life and this is my destiny. And I am happy. Very happy. You understand? And I want to big up my wife again, Doreen Claiborne. Love you from my heart, baby. Enough love. Mwah! Big up yourself, Doreen. Yeah. You're my best friend, my sister, my mom, my auntie, my grandaunt, my granny, my friend, my worst enemy, my enemy. But you're my lover and my wife. You're everything. So big up yourself. Love, peace.